Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we are given that if a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 2, then we have to find the value of discussing the first part here, that is a raised to the power 2 and b raised to the power 2. Basically we have to plug the value of a and b in the expression in order to find its value. A is given which is equals to 2 and b is given which is equals to minus 2. So a square, that is square of 2, plus b square, that is square of minus 2. So square of 2 is 4 plus square of minus 2 is plus 4, which is 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So we can say that the answer to the part 1 is 8. Now the part 2. Part 2 is a raised to the power 2 plus ab plus b raised to the power 2. So a raised to the power 2 plus ab plus b raised to the power 2. As we know, a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2. So plugging the value here, a raised to the power 2, that is 2 raised to the power 2 plus ab, that is a is 2, b is minus 2 plus b square, that is minus 2 to its square. Square of 2 is 4 plus 2 multiplied by the minus 2 is minus 4 plus square of minus 2 is 4. So this 4 to this 4 cancel, we are only left with 4. So we can say that the answer to this part is 4. So this is the answer to the part B. Now the part C. Part C is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Here we are having the value of a and b. A square minus b square. A is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 2. Square of a, that is 2 square, minus b square, that is minus of 2 square. 2 square of 2 is 4, minus of square of minus 2 is 4, which from here is equals to 0. So we can say that the answer to the third part is 0. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.